Looking back at the month of February, especially the last day, we saw temperatures rise to 36 degrees, 26 for your low, so above average, as you can see, especially for that morning low by 18 degrees. Nowhere near the record of 51 back in 2004 or negative 28 back in 2014. But the days continue to get longer, and that's going to be the continuing trend as we go through March, April, and May, already up to 11 hours and 8 minutes. Now, looking at today's highs, though, more reminiscent of winter. As you can see, temperatures only struggling to get into those 20s, 22 in Marquette, 21 in Houghton, 25 from Munising, all the way to Ontonagon. And going into those headlines, actually going into those winds, we saw that those winds are mostly coming out of the northeast at 15 in Houghton, 12 in Ironwood, and a little bit stronger as you make your way towards the east, straight out of the north, 22 in Iron Mountain, 23 in Munising. That's really a lot of that cold air to really be in place today, and that's going to continue for the next couple of days. But we already seen wind chills throughout the day already in the single digits, and because of these strong winds, we're actually going to see negatives going into the overnight hours, so make sure to bundle up. Now, going ahead into tomorrow and into the weekend, we could be dealing with a little bit of a hit and miss snow showers. And then by the time we get towards next week, because of the warm-up, we'll actually begin to see on Saturday, we could actually start introducing some rain showers by Monday with a rain-snow mix on Tuesday. Now, looking at a setup for tomorrow, the same disturbance that brought snow for a good portion of Michigan quickly pushes its way into parts of the Canadian Maritimes by Thursday. And you can see the snow, though, extends as far west as parts of northeastern New York State. When it comes to us, just very dry weather. A quick moving low pressure makes its way through parts of Minnesota into parts of Indiana, and Chicago actually had somewhat of an interesting drought when it comes to the snowfall. They barely received any snow in both the month of January and February, and actually broke a record for the lowest amount of snowfall. Now, for us, on the other hand, we have seen a good amount of snow, but we're still slightly below average. Now, going into the next couple of days, we could catch up a little bit as we see a little bit of that lake effect trying to develop from Lake Superior with that northerly flow. By the weekend, we begin to flip the switch, and the thermometer actually begins to rise pretty quickly. By Sunday, we'll already be into those 40s. Tonight, though, 13 degrees. Snow showers decreasing from west to east. Winds out of the north at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Going into your Thursday a little more closely, we'll have partly sunny skies, but still cannot rule out that hit and miss snow shower. But temperatures very similar to what we saw today, into those low to mid 20s, 21 in Houghton, 23 in Ontonagon, 28 in Crystal Falls and Florence, and making our way a little bit towards the east, 29 in Escanaba. But as you can see, the winds a little bit more relaxed, so the wind chills are not going to be as bad as they are today. Now, looking for that day planner for your Thursday a little more closely, sunrise occurs at 7:27 a.m., but temperatures are going to fall even more as we go into your Thursday night, waking up on your Friday, and just make sure to bundle up in those layers, especially the next couple of mornings, and going into your next 7 days. Here's how it all breaks down. Partly sunny skies as we go from your Thursday all the way through your Sunday. Temperatures rising from 18 degrees on Friday all the way up to 47 by Sunday, and we continue to enjoy those 40s by the time we go towards your Monday. But you may want to have that umbrella with you on Monday. Tuesday, we introduce that rain-snow mix, and then we start to cool off once again by Wednesday.